Hi guys, in this video we're gonna learn how you can put thumbnail to your YouTube video. It's quite easy. Just open your YouTube, log in with your account and just click on the profile icon which you can see at the top right hand corner. Click on YouTube Studio. Once that open, head over to content and just choose the video where you wanna like to upload the thumbnail. This is the video where I wanna put thumbnail, so I just need to click on this pencil button. The video will open and just right here we have the section called thumbnail. From here we're gonna upload the thumbnail for the video. So you have three options for that. Either you can upload your own file, you can click on the auto generated one and they'll just give you random frames from your video and you can just choose the frame which you would love to use as a thumbnail and just click on done. So that's the second way. And the third way is that if you're the guy who wanna like experiment with thumbnails, if you have multiple thumbnails for the single video, then you can just use this option. Here they'll allow you to upload 3 thumbnails. YouTube will test one by one and just figure out the best thumbnail for your video. But the option which is used by people more often is this one, upload file. So in order to put your thumbnail by using this option, just click on the option. They'll open file explorer and just right here you need to choose the thumbnail which you wanna put for your video. I would love to pick this thumbnail right here, so I just need to select that and click on open. But just in case if you're seeing window like this where they're asking you to verify your mobile number, in that case you need to click on verify. The next window will open. Here you just need to select your country, enter your mobile number and verify that. Once the mobile number is verified, only then you will able to upload thumbnails. But yeah, that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.